Namaste, Namaskara, and welcome back to my vlog. Everyone, I have hit more than 600 plus subscribers because of all your love and support on my YouTube channel. Please continue supporting me and loving all my content, and I would love to share my life with you. So I had been to Lulu Mall. It's Cinepolis is the movie theater here, and I really liked the experience. Nan Article 370 nodak hogidde, and it's a very nice movie. I loved sitting on these comfortable seats and watching. It's a very nice immersive experience. You should definitely check out this place and the mall too. So for lunch, I had methi ki roti with some chana and raita with a lot of onions and lime. It was very nice. And then Ramzan is going to start from Monday. So we had these thing in Lulu Mall. It's like a sale kind of a thing. Jahan pe there was raisins, there was dates. There were like a lot of things, there was electronics se leke ACs से लेके सब कुछ था at a really good reasonable price. So if you guys are celebrating Ramzan, or even if you're not, if you want to buy these good quality dry fruits at a very affordable price, you should check out this section. It is near the Lulu hypermarket and I liked it a lot. Even these dates that you get, the Kimri ones, they are for like almost 50% off. And there was these tissue papers which was also for like half price. And after that, when I was exiting somewhere in the evening, I saw this beautiful twilight. It is the sunshine coming through, looking so nice. I just took a very small video. This is like a 360-degree of the Lulu Mall bahar se, the view, and I love the orange hues that's going on in the sky. The sky and the sun, they never disappoint, and my life literally revolves around this, so it is so beautiful. And in my phone, when I captured it, it looks even more stunning and nice. Hey guys, good morning. It is 8:15 right now. It's a Sunday morning. I woke up at 7 a.m. because I wanted to edit and do like a vlog wala kuch content add karna tha, and I wanted to modify and do the voiceover and everything. It took 1 hour today because I had to look for the files, I had to put them all together and then make the vlog. I will get freshen up now and I'm going to the gym. It's the second day of this week. You know, right? I was not feeling well. I've spoken about this in my previous vlog ki I had viral fever and stuff, and I could go only one day this week. So today is the second day. I'm really excited to get my workout done. So I'll see you in the next segment of the vlog. Till then, stick with me. Bye bye. आज की जिम की सेशन मस्त थी. आई डिड कार्डियो एंड वेट्स फॉर 1 hour. It was super freaking satisfying and I loved it so much. After coming back home, I was really hungry, so I made this berry bowl. इसकी रेसिपी मैं बताने वाली हूँ. तो I take strawberries and I cut them really well, and उसके ऊपर I add this seed mix. Seed mix में chia seeds and pumpkin seeds, all of this come together very well and gives a nice crunch. Then I use some Greek yogurt and give it a little bit of blueberries on top. So basically you can use any fruit that you like bananas, orange, mosambi, depending on your taste buds. After this, I top it off with some granola. The granola I use is from Kellogg's. You can use whichever granola of your choice. I like this a lot, and iska packet tha ghar pe, so I'm using this. Next time I'm going to go for a no sugar one, and that's it, you guys. Just mix it and eat it. It's yum. Guys, I did sleep like really well today. It's a Sunday and I went to the gym. I came back and I was feeling really sleepy, so I just freshened up, had breakfast, had a bath, and then I went to sleep and I woke up right now. So I'm attending a session online, so I have that for like 2.5 hours, I guess. 2 hours है max to max. उसके बाद मैं mostly बाहर जाऊँगी, या I'll be at home reading a book. I need to think of that, but there's something fun that I found out today. So I was opening my drawer of all my stationery things and I found a lot of sticky notes. I found a lot of highlighters, and there are all new things also which have got like on the pens and stationery part. So I'm just gonna organize that, but before I jump into that, I just want to show you everything. So here's what they are. It's gonna be a little messy, so you have to bear with it. Please stick with me. So this is like a big book of stickers from Alicia D'Souza. I had a planner of hers of 2023, so ये जो stickers बची हुई है these are that one. This is my journal and I'm going to use this today to write notes and stuff during my session. I also got like sticky notes when I went to Lulu. So this is that sticky notes, and I have like a lot of sticky notes, you know. This is from थर्ड वेव कॉफ़ी जो वो देते हैं कोस्टर, तो ये साइड में रख देंगे. एंड दीज आर लाइक आई हैव सो मेनी क्यूट स्टिकी नोट्स. देयर इज दिस panda, and then there's this cute Hello Kitty one which I got from Miniso, and then I have these sticky notes which is it's a bunny. I got this from Lulu hypermarket, and this one's a chick. And I also have like some masking, like there was masking tape, but this is the patterned one. It's a unicorn one actually, and I like unicorns a lot, so here we are with the unicorn thing. And I have these chutusa sticky notes which is also very nice, and I have butterflies as sticky notes. There's a lot of stationery, okay, and these are the recent ones I would say. But if I have to show you the other stationery, it's these are like a lot from my school days and my college days. And I also got this pens recently from Miniso, and this one here reminds me of Stabilo, the pens which Papa used to get from Germany when he used to go. So he had got a complete set of it, and this was I think in the year 2003, and this is the dupe of that, and it looks really nice, okay, and I have to try it out to see. And I got this one is a text line of pastel colors Faber-Castell super fluorescent highlighters. I like the fact that the color palette that they've come up with, it's like mint green, and this is turquoise, blue, purple, and a little bit of pink going on. And this is also one of the pouches which I used to carry, I think, to college. And I have a few pens and some more sticky notes and things here. There's a lot I need to organize, okay, so I have like so many things here right now, and this is all my sticky notes and everything coming together. This is all of it, and yeah, so that's what I wanted to show in this vlog. It's the next day और मैं finance की class ले रही हूँ शरण से. So if you guys don't know him, he's finance with Sharan. He's a really cool guy who, you know, just makes finance sound really nice and interesting, and ये मेरी upskilling के लिए है. उसके बाद मैं गई थी supermarket. यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ noodles लेना था, and guys please मुझे comment करके बताओ which is a good one. मैंने देखा some from Nissin in hot and spicy flavor, and I also saw some from Maggi. मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि कौन सी लेना है, so I just like skipped it for now, but मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ. एंड देन मॉम को कुछ चीज़ें लेनी थी, सो आई हैड लाइक अकम्पनीड हर, एंड हमने कुछ चीज़ें ली थी फ्रॉम द क्रीम एंड द लोशन एंड द ये वाला सेक्शन जहाँ पे ये सब मिलता है लाइक स्किन केयर. एंड देन वी वेंट अपस्टेयर्स में वी हैव ऑल दी स्टेशनरी रिलेटेड स्टफ लाइक बुक्स एंड ऑल. तो आई फाउंड दीज रियली प्रिटी पेंसिल्स जिसके पीछे ये स्टोन लगा हुआ है इन डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कलर्स लाइक ऑरेंज, ब्लू, ग्रीन. अच्छा लगता है डूड, लाइक दे मेक सो मेनी क्रिएटिव थिंग्स फॉर किड्स दीज डेज, and it looks really nice. So we wanted some color pens, so we were just checking out a few of the pens, and I found this pens which look just like Stabilo जो मैं Miniso से लिया था, and मैं डैड की रेफरेंस दे रही थी in the beginning of the video. And then I was hungry, so I had some juice. मौसम्बी का था शायद. After coming back home, I had coin पराठा, जिसके लिए ऑनलाइन मुझे काफ़ी सारे कमेंट्स मिले थे कि मत खाओ, इट हैज़ शुगर. तो उसके बाद मैंने अवॉइड किया है, ओके. एंड घर के आने के बाद आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज माई बेड शीट, सो आई हैड दिस बेड शीट फ्रॉम IKEA which is such a cute printed one. It's got these beautiful cute animals like bear हो गया, fox है इस पे, there are dragonflies, birds, snail, all of these are so pretty. It's completely my vibe. I love those cute, attractive, neonish and colors, all of them coming together on the bedsheet look so nice. This is like the perfect cozy bed that I made that night for myself. And then the next day I had another introductory class with Sharan and his team. It was good, and I had also got a new cup for myself. तो ये unbox कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. ये मैंने Miniso से लिया था, and it's a really nice detailed beautiful cup which I like. It's got like a lavender colored background with a butterfly on it, and you'll see it right now. I'm just unboxing it like right in front of you as a part of this video to show it to you guys. So the butterfly is like a nice lavender going on, and the background of the cup also suits it so well, and on it it's written live vividly. I really like the quote. I really like cups which have good detailing and good material and make, and Miniso actually makes really pretty things, used to and still does, and I love it. Then I'm journaling a bit with all my new stationery. The next day I decided to make paneer tikka. So this is a recipe. I added curd. So I'm showing curd here because I used curd as a main base, and then some paneer, and this is the chicken tikka masala mix to give it a really nice tikka flavor. I had purchased this. So what I do right now is I take in andaz se kuch curd, and I'm just gonna make sure I take enough so that all the paneer gets soaked in this curd, and then I add the chicken tikka masala as much as I want to give a really nice flavor, and I give it a good mix, and I keep adding it till I feel it's enough for the marination to take place well. Then I add in all the paneer pieces so that it gets soaked really well, and it needs to sit for 30 minutes. So after my meetings and stuff, I came back to see that it was all marinated well, and I tawa fry sort of a thing, and I took it out on my plate. That was a very simple one. You can add capsicum and onion also, it'll be really good. And then the next day I am going to office, so I booked an auto, and when I went there I saw these beautiful plants. So it's kind of like that season where all these pretty flowers are coming out, and the sun also shines really well and gives a really nice green on these plants. It's like the reflection of it. It looks so nice. So I wanted to take a really small video, and I took. मुझे नहीं पता कि इन सब पौधे का नाम क्या है and the flowers, but yeah, I just clicked this anyway. My mom loves flowers, okay, so she might see this video and be happy about it. Then traffic बहुत था, and I'm coming back home that day, and that was pretty much my day that day. Hi guys, how are you doing? It's one of those weekdays and I have been waking up late. No matter how many times I make a timetable, I don't stick to it, but I never stop making timetables. I know it's an endless loop, okay? It's a very toxic, endless loop. But thing is, I wanted to hit the gym, but I wasn't able to. And it's been a long time. It's been 4 days. I'm feeling really bad about it. But hopefully I'll make some changes very soon. It's because at night I get work, or I get some or the other thing related to the skills and stuff. So I sit with them, and there's a lot happening, and I don't want to fill in you guys about those things at the moment because there's a lot in the pipeline that's going to happen. So for now, it's just that after coming back from work, I have certain set of things to finish, and because of which I sleep late and I wake up late, if you know what I mean. It's a vicious, endless cycle, and I really want to sleep on time and wake up on time. I hope I'll be able to do it from the next day, which is tomorrow, but for right now, I'm like literally all over the place, and I need to just hurry and get to work, get to office. I'm back to office now this week, and one day is already over. Today is the second day of work. These are my pet fishes. I have guppies at home. Initially we had 11 and now we have just 3. एक guppy जो left bowl में है, that was born in my house. This is the one, and it is so cute. It was like a very small baby, and हमने इससे बड़ा किया है, and I'm really attached to this one. It's Shivratri, so Aji's preparing to make upma. And also, it's Women's Day, so I'm at the office right now. I'm wearing this beautiful top from Forever New, which screams empowerment, and I feel so chic and nice wearing this. It feels so powerful, especially on Women's Day. And I'm also celebrating Shivratri, as I said in my vlog, so I'm having a fruit bowl. It's like I feel Shakti and Shiva coming together because of Women's Day and Shivratri, if you know what I mean. And it's such a beautiful moment that I'm just relishing it by having fruits and doing my vrat of the whole fast and everything. And then what happened was I left my earphones, you guys, and I had to use my Find My app to find them. Luckily, it was lunch break and it was just here abandoned, and I feel so bad, but it is what happened that day. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. I'm really grateful for all of you for all your love and support. If you do like my video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Lots of love.